Hi and welcome to a new tutorial in Inventor. In this quick tip, I want to show you how to add and use shortcut in Inventor. Click on this little arrow and activate visual styles. In this example, I will add a shortcut to the visual styles. Now you can choose from the visual styles you want. To proceed to the shortcut, you have to right-click on the ribbon and choose Customize User Commands. In the Keyboard tab, you can look for Illustration. Now, we can see the Technical Illustration Display command. I will press in the keyboard Ctrl+2 to add a new shortcut to this command. Now let's tap Display on the search bar. In the list, choose Shaded with Edges Display. I will press Ctrl+1 in my keyboard to add the new shortcut to this command. Click Apply and OK to validate your shortcut. Now you have just to test it with your keyboard. From here, I will press Ctrl+2 and Ctrl+1 to choose between the visual styles I want. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive more tips and see ya.